Number 4. Blockchain. A blockchain is a secure place where you can securely store data in any form. This super secure method of storing, authenticating, and protecting data could revolutionize many aspects of the business, particularly when it comes to facilitating trusted transactions. It is similar to the funds in a bank account, where the funds never get lost or stolen when placed inside the blockchain. Information stored in such a chain cannot be altered or deleted. Blockchain technology is already widely used in many businesses this 2022, from supply chain management to electoral processes. This will continue to help improve the safety and transparency of numerous procedures. A blockchain collects information together in groups known as blocks that hold sets of information. Blocks have certain storage capacities, and when filled are closed and linked to the previously served block, forming a chain of data known as the blockchain. Blockchains are also consensus-driven, meaning no one organized and is enrolled the data. It eliminates the need for a reliable third party to supervise or verify transactions. Number 5. Internet of Things (IoT). The idea of a network of smart devices was first discussed in 1982 with a modified Coca-Cola vending machine at Carnegie Mellon University, becoming the first internet-connected appliance. A growing number of devices can connect to the internet, and we call this the Internet of Things, thanks to the advent of inexpensive computer chips and high-bandwidth telecommunication. We now have billions of devices connected to the internet. This means everyday devices like toothbrushes, vacuums, cars, and machines. Internet of Things can use sensors to collect data and respond intelligently to users. The development of sensors and the study of data will be the main forces behind this expansion. The Internet of Things will affect numerous sectors, from manufacturing to healthcare. Computer engineers have added sensors and processors to everyday objects since the 90s. However, progress was initially slow because the chips were big and bulky. Low-power computer chips called RFID tags were first used to track expensive equipment. As computing devices shrank, these chips also became smaller, faster, and smarter. Over time, Internet of Things describes a global system of interconnected computing devices without any intervention from a human. The network's devices can exchange information, gather data, and transmit it to another location. Over 50 billion devices will be linked via the Internet of Things by 2030. More than $1.1 trillion will be spent on this technology worldwide. Though the Internet of Things (IoT) is still in its early stages, it will grow rapidly in the coming years. Number 6. Rise of super apps. A super app combines the features of an app, a platform, and an ecosystem in one application. It not only has its own set of functionalities, but it also provides a platform for third parties to develop and publish their own mini apps on. It is worth saying that today the implementation of super apps in China is becoming more and more widespread, but the trends smoothly cross the borders, spreading worldwide. Even though awesome apps are not as general as traditional mobile applications, some prominent examples can give you a taste of how such solutions work and their potential. Tencent, the massive Chinese tech conglomerate and leader in the super app realm, took its WeChat app, initially a messaging app, and morphed its billion-plus user app into an ecosystem of services that includes taxi rides, payments or virtual wallets, hotel reservations, games, medical consultations, and more. While super apps have big revenue upside potential in the end, like any other apps, they'll earn their audience based on some fundamentals of good software development and testing. Although most examples of super apps are mobile apps, the concept can also be applied to desktop client applications such as Microsoft Teams and Slack, with the key being that a super app can consolidate and replace multiple apps for customer or employee use. Number 7. 5D technology. This technology will enable your smartphone to get faster, stronger signals and much lower latency than ever. 5D tech has already been deployed in many countries worldwide, where mobile networks are much faster than those on 4D technology. Beyond speed improvement, the technology is expected to unleash a massive 5G IoT ecosystem where networks can serve communication needs for billions of connected devices with the right trade-offs between speed latency and cost. 5G speed tops out at 10 gigabits per second. Isn't it amazing? The average reaction time for humans to a visual stimulus is 250 milliseconds or 1/4 of a second. People are capped at around 190